Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how interface views can be used to enforce a more robust development paradigm, such as top-down development or contract-first development. An interface view defines a schema with a set of column names and data types, but they don't define how the data is retrieved and where from. In other words, they don't specify an implementation of the view. This implementation can be added to the interface at a later date, making it fully executable and available for querying. Interface views provide some very interesting capabilities for developers and data architects. Firstly, they support a top-down modeling approach to data virtualization design, as the interface views can be created before the implementations that connect them to the actual data sources. They also allow multiple development teams to work on the view in parallel. They allow you to be notified through impact analysis reports whenever changes occur to view implementations that violate the interface contracts. Finally, they're perfect for dealing with data migrations or situations when the final data sources are not yet available. However, you need to start working with a mock-up data source that will be replaced by the real one at a later date. In this example, we're going to create an interface view manually. We'll start by creating a new folder called Data Services, just as we did in the first video in the basic tutorial series. Now we can right-click on the folder we've just created and select New, then Interface. The Denodo Express administration tool will open the Interface View dialog. And now we can enter the name of our new interface view. And now we need to add the fields to the interface. To add a new field, we just click on the New Field button and enter the name of the field and the data type of the field. And we're going to repeat this for each of the fields in our interface view. Note that by default, the drop-down list containing the data types only contains basic types. However, we can use compound data types by clicking on the Enable Compound Types checkbox. Now that we've added all the fields to the interface view, we can click on OK to save our changes. Denodo Express will pop up a warning indicating that the interface view does not have an implementation and therefore queries on it will fail. This is okay, so just accept the warning. In a later video, we'll add an implementation to the interface view. So there you are. You've created your first interface view in Denodo Express. You can now create a data service using this interface, or you can associate an implementation to it, and we'll cover both of these activities in subsequent videos.